Hello YouTubers. I've got a garden I've got started. I got a pile of onions. There's piles of bell peppers and banana peppers, tomatoes, zucchini. I got cucumbers, I got squash, and I got beans. It's been a while since I've done a video. We live 100% off grid. We just doing our garden. And you see I got a backup rainwater catch for the garden. I hadn't de-weeded any of this lately. I need to get my weed eater out here, but my rainwater barrels are staying full. We've been getting a lot of rain, and naturally I water my garden with my rainwater. You'd never know I bush hogged this last weekend, and it don't look like it. We just had a pile of rain. Everything's taking off growing, but we got wild berries growing like crazy. And those of you who see my other videos has seen my solar panels in the past. Thank you and have a nice day.